Hey guys, I appreciate you tuning in for this episode of the Mental Minute. Today I'm going to be talking about the differences or similarities between probiotic foods and fermented foods, and is there a difference? When you add bacteria and microorganisms to foods, there's a process that makes it tasty and nutritious. It's called fermentation. But there is a misconception that fermented foods are probiotic. For example, not all fermented foods are probiotic. Beer and wine, those are fermented foods, but they don't contain live cultures. And then if you have that fermented food, but bake it or can it or pasteurize it, eliminates that probiotic benefit. So can you have fermented foods that contain live organisms that are not quote unquote probiotic? And unfortunately, yes. So just because it says that live cultures doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to give you the health benefits associated with populating your gut health. Now it could, but there's an important distinguishing characteristic in that, is there some sort of health benefit? So that's the important point. I appreciate you guys watching this.